Today we're going back in time. But what decade are we going to? We made it! Here we are, back in the 70s. And today we're making a classic Hawaiian chicken. Hawaiian-inspired food was really popular in the 70s, and this sticky sweet chicken dish is sure to become a family favorite. Let's jump right in. See the description below for a list of ingredients. Dice about 2 pounds or 900 grams of chicken breast. You could also use chicken thigh here. We're going to cut them into bite-sized pieces. Season your chicken well with salt and pepper, and then add in 3 tablespoons or 35 grams of cornstarch or corn flour. Toss it all together until all of your chicken pieces are well coated. Heat 1.5 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a wide pan. Sear off your chicken in batches so that it browns and doesn't steam. We're just browning the chicken, not cooking it the whole way through at this point. Once all of your chicken pieces are browned, set them aside. Let's peel our ginger for our sauce. I like to do this with the back of a spoon. Once your ginger is peeled, you'll want to finely grate it. You're looking for about 1/2 teaspoon to a teaspoon. Now it's time to make our sauce. Add a tablespoon of olive oil to our hot pan. Now add in our grated ginger and a tablespoon of minced garlic. We just want to get that fragrant. In goes 168 milliliters of pineapple juice, 30 grams of soy sauce, 20 grams of rice vinegar, and we want to use that liquid we've just added to scrape up all of those brown bits off the bottom of our pan. Next is 160 grams of barbecue sauce, 2 teaspoons of sriracha. You can leave this out or you can add fresh chili if you want more heat, and 40 grams of dark brown sugar, and give that a stir until it's all combined. Once our sauce has come together, add in the browned chicken and 250 grams of diced pineapple. Stir this until all of the chicken pieces and the pineapple are coated in that sauce. We're going to let that cook on medium heat until our sauce is really sticky and our chicken has cooked through. It'll take about 10 minutes. In the meantime, prepare your rice. Spoon the chicken over the rice and serve. Make sure you also check out my friend's videos at the 1970s dinner party. We've got our clever and creative Sonia from Mrs. Sonia Elaine, the hilarious and operatic Jim from Jim's Kitchen.
I want to be a nacho man.
We've got the wonderful and gluten-free Jessie from Catalina Treats and 5th and Overland. And we've got our gorgeous expats Julie and Lucy from Brick Girls Go Stateside. The artistic and organized Molly Makes. And we've got our cake queen Lorelei from Cakes with Lorelei. If you haven't seen any of our other time travel videos, check out when we went back to the 50s, just here, or back to the 80s, here. Make sure to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below with your favorite 70s dish. See you next time.